Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine with your families. Stay happy, stay safe always. So again we are back here with a new video that how can we directly install or how can we directly upload an audio to the PowerPoint presentation. Also directly how can we record our voice or any message whichever you want to just connect with your PowerPoint presentation. So let us begin. For the same, as you can see, I have already created a PowerPoint presentation over here. Let me show you once. Okay, so before doing that, okay, as you can see, I have opened the PowerPoint presentation over here. The very first slide is welcome slide, and here I have written the topic also, how to insert audio file to the PowerPoint presentation. For the same, there are two ways, as I said you, that there are two ways that we can upload any video or any audio as well to the PowerPoint presentation. So for doing the same, first of all, we have to we have to record our voice, means we have to record our message whichever we want to add in our PowerPoint presentation slide. So for that, here you can see in the tab search box, I have to search for the voice recorder. As it is Windows 10, so I have an option of voice recorder. If you have Windows 7, you must be getting the option of the sound recorder in the place of voice recorder. The working of the both are same. So now over here, voice recorder, as I am getting the option, I just need to click on it. As you can see, the window has appeared where it is just showing by default the previous recorded audio, but I'll show you the new audio. How can we record a new audio? For doing the same, can you see this option? That is a record button. Control plus R is the shortcut key you may use with the keyboard. You may use it as a keyboard shortcut as well. So over here we have a record option. As I just have to click on this button of record, and my recording will get started and will get started, and it will be looking over here. It will be shown over here where I am just right now rotating my mouse pointer. So let us begin for the same. I just need to click it on this record button. For that, as you can see, now my recording is already started, so I am just recording this. Yes, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to insert an audio file or an audio clip to the PowerPoint presentation in a particular slide. That's it for the today, and I just want to save it. So you may pause it also. You might have seen that I just did what? I just pause it my recording. Further you want to see for further you want to tell more, so you just have to again click it on the same resume button, and it will again start. As you can see, the numbering is 16 seconds I have recorded. Okay, so let me tell you something more for seeing the process of the resume button. So follow my video till the end. Okay, now my recording is done, so I'm just clicking on the stop recording button. Okay, as you can see, I have recorded a 23 second audio file. So here play button will also come, so where you can listen once however your
As you can see, now my recording is already
goes on.
started,
So
so I
you
am
can
just
just
recording how to insert.
so yes, as you can see, my audio is already recorded. Now we just have to check the location, that where this audio file is being located, so that it will be easy for us to place it in the particular slide. So for that, where my audio file will be saved. So to see that particular option, I just have to click on this settings button, and here I can see the last option I am getting, open file location. I just need to click on this particular option, open file location, and here you can see the multiple recordings are there, but as it is showing highlighted on this particular recording 3, it means right now I have recorded the same slide. Otherwise no problem. If you have a multiple recording and you are facing a problem in just selecting your audio file, so you may will get the option over here, open. So there again you can listen once, and you can then select the desired recording. Okay, so as I am sure that my this recording only, I need to just upload it on the uh, PowerPoint presentation. So here I am just selecting this particular recording, and I am clicking on the copy. Okay, copy. Here just I am clicking on the copy. So as you can see here, I have open the file location of the my recorded audio from here, and from there I just do the right click on it, and I will get the option of copy. Why I am copying this? So that it will be easy to catch me that particular recording or that particular audio file uh, while taking into the presentation in a particular slide. So just click on the copy button, and now again here, as you can see on a desktop only, I have one particular folder. On desktop I have a particular folder. Let me show you once. On desktop I have a particular folder ppt plus file. In this particular folder only I have my PowerPoint presentations. There only I am just pasting with the help of Control V. Control V is the shortcut key which we use for for pasting a particular thing which is being copied or cut. Okay, so for that, as you can see, my recording is already there, and here you can see my presentation is already ready. Now I just want to load that particular recorded audio file to the my this particular slide. So for doing the same, can you see over here the insert tab? I just need to click on this insert tab. As I am clicking on this insert tab, I am getting this media group in the last. Can you see this media group? Yes. So now over here I want to record what right now. I want to just put audio files. So audio, just click on the audio, and here is the option audio from file. So I just need to click on this audio from file button, and it will give me the location from where you want to access the, from where you want to take the audio. But I know that I have a recorded one in on the desktop, and the folder was ppt plus file. As you can see, it is appearing over here, and just click on this open button to open the particular folder, and here you can see the same name, recording 3. You may change the name as per your desire. Okay, so here as you can see, as I have selected the recording, and you are getting the button over here, insert. Just you need to click on this insert button. It will take a while seconds to load it, and you can see just it over here, the recorded sound is being appeared over here. Now I'll show you, as your selection is on the sound recorded button, so you will get another tab, that is the playback. Okay, so just click on the playback button when you want to play this audio. Okay, so here you will get three options: automatically, on click, and play across the slide. Okay, they all three have a different uses of themselves. Suppose automatically, if I'll click, so automatically as the slide will run, so automatically it is going to be run along with the slide. The second one is on click. Until I'll click on the particular button, it won't be narrated. The third one is play across the slide, means on the entire presentation the same audio is going to be played, but I am selecting the option automatically. So just click on the automatically button, and here we have an option hide during show. Why I am clicking on this button, hide during show? So this particular icon of the sound won't be appear on the slideshow. When we will do the slideshow on the full screen, it won't appear as you click on this button hide during show. Okay, so let us try once whether it is working or not. So can you see it over here, the same slideshow tab? Yes, slideshow, and just click on the from beginning.
As you can see now, my recording is
Yes.
already
Are
started.
you
So
able
I'm
to
just
see,
recording this.
or are
Yes,
you able
hello
to listen
everyone.
the same
Today
audio
we
which I
are
have
going to
recorded
learn
that time?
how
The
to
same audio
insert
it is
an
being
audio
played along with my
file
slide.
or an audio clip
Hopefully it is
to the
understood to
PowerPoint
everyone.
presentation in the
Yes.
particular slide.
Okay,
That's
so
so
let us see the another way also. How can we record a audio to the how can we record a audio directly to the PowerPoint presentation? So for doing the same, what we'll do, I'm just creating another duplicate copy of the same slide. So for doing the same, I'm just pressing the Control D. Control D will create the duplicate copy of the same slide which is selected. Okay, as you can see, the same slide I got it over here. I'm just deleting this particular recording. Okay, as you can see now, no recording is present on this presentation slide. Again, let me show you from the beginning. As you can see,
As you can see now, my recording is already
see,
started.
in
So
this
I'm just
slide, it is
recording
the
this.
first slide.
Yes,
So
hello
here the
everyone.
audio it is
Today
being
we are
played, but on
going
the
to learn
second slide, if
how
I'll
to
show you,
insert an
so there is no audio, and this is my third slide which we'll do afterwards, and that's it. Okay, so now I'll show you how directly we can record an audio for the second slide. Okay, so for doing the same, you just have to open that particular slide by clicking on this left panel, and here you will see the option record slideshow. Can you see this option record slideshow? Where it will appear? It will appear in the slideshow tab only. Okay, slideshow tab, and here we have option of a record slideshow. Okay, just click on this record slideshow, and here it will ask you the option starting from beginning you want to record or from the current slide. So I want to record for this particular slide only, so I'm clicking on this particular option start recording from current slide. Okay, as I'm just clicking on this option, you will see again it will ask you that do you want a timer as well as the narration. So I am just clicking on the start recording button. Okay, can you see here the timer has started? Yes. Can you see it over here? The timer has started. Yes, I'm just speaking the same but three times. The timer has started, the timer has started, the timer has started for my presentation. Yes, I just did pause to again you may resume it to record the further, as you can see it over here. Okay, so now that's all for today. That's all for this particular thing, this particular slide. So have you seen it over here that I have recorded a video? Sorry, I have recorded the audio for the second slide also. You may see the timer over here. It was of 21 seconds. If you remember that particular recording three video audio track file. Okay, and here today here for the second slide I have recorded for the 18 minutes. Now let us play from the beginning. So here again slideshow, and here we have a slideshow from the starting. So from beginning as I am playing, you can see
As you can see now, my recording is already started. So
carefully.
I'm just recording this. Yes, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to insert an audio file or an audio clip to the PowerPoint presentation in a particular slide. That's so follow my video till the end. Okay, now my recording is done. So I'm just clicking on the stop. Okay, can you see here the timer has started? Yes. Can you see it over here? The timer has started. Yes, I'm just speaking the same but three times. The timer has started, the timer has started, the timer has started for my presentation. Okay, so now that's all for today. That's all for this particular thing, this particular slide. Okay, I think it's clear to everyone how can we record as well as how can we insert a audio clip to the PowerPoint slide directly. There are two ways. Again, I am recapturing the things for you all. Like for number one, first we have to record using the voice recorder, and you can find for the file location. Then you can directly insert in the any particular slide PowerPoint any particular slide directly from the insert tab, using the insert tab. The second one is where it's very easy from using the slideshow button directly. If you are very much sure what you need to record, and if you are very particular about your things, what you can record it. So for that you may directly click on the slideshow tab, and here you will get the option of record slideshow. So I hope it's clear to everyone how can we record. So yes, I hope um, you all have liked it, and you all have learned carefully that how can we insert an audio file directly, as well as we can upload in an PowerPoint presentation directly. So it will be there whenever you will send the file along with the email or with the WhatsApp Messenger or Facebook Messenger. That time even the same audio file will exist there in the same way as you have uploaded. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay happy. Stay safe.